my painter has arrived. So it's got the instructions. Use the tear strip on this box to gain access to your painter box. And here it is. I think I might move a few of these glasses. That's an accident waiting to happen, yeah. Oh dear. Right. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I finished my my torpedo last night, the Delirium Trends, which was I don't think that's worked very well actually. More haste, less speed. I knew we'd get there in the end. And there we go. Beautiful. So 10 pints of brewery fresh beer at your fingertips. So next one is peel this along. I don't know if you've seen these unboxings before, but the box is an absolute work of art. I'll just turn that around. I'm going to move these glasses. How's that for a box, eh? That's absolutely beautiful. So this is the painter itself. That's the bit that holds the beer. I opted for the red one. This is the dock, I think. The instructions. And that's empty. And you get 2 packs. So this is Vice Nights, and I would imagine that's a Vice beer. And this one is Space Hopper. I think that's an IPA. So that's my 2 pinter packs. And this, I would imagine, is the dock. It is indeed. It's an absolute work of art. That box, I think, might just be the best box I've ever seen. I'll just break it before I use it. There you go, how's that? What a beauty, eh? And 2 minutes ago, the door went while I was setting this up. And it was a delivery from Beowulf. I don't think there's anything in that, is there? What a beautiful box. I'll just go and get that box. I've got no strength left these days. So I'll put my pinter packs here. And there was a sale on and I couldn't resist it. And these things won't go off, so very good. Invoice, no invoice, order list. So what have we got here? Oh, Strongbow original cider. I'm not much of a cider drinker, but I think it was 10% off, plus I got an extra £5 off. So I thought, Gosser Brauhaus Stiftswickel. Is that an Austrian beer, I think? Excellent. Affligem, I've already got one of these in the fridge. Affligem Dubel. Excellent. So this is just the blonde, yeah. Affligem blonde. And this is the Dubel, the double. Fantastic. Newcastle Brown Ale, because I was so impressed by the last one. It was totally unexpectedly good. Edelweiss Hefetrub. So is that like a wheat beer or a white beer? Second last, Lagunitas IPA and India Pale Ale. I think that might have been the most expensive one. And finally, Vikase. I think I might have Vita white beer. So another 8 tops. I think I've got 3 in the fridge, and I've got 6 or 5 in a box through there. Come and join me for a drink. I've not got much. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. I'm going to lie down in a darkened room. I am absolutely sweltering. Get my fan on, I think. Cheers, my dears. See you next time. Hopefully. Turn that off.